In this video, let's talk about what is the best solution for a wheel flush fitment.
After installing the Honda wheel spacers, they can push the wheels out slightly, giving a car a more flush look with the fender. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Accord performance tends to get more stable, and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. With these Accord wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. By the way, installing Honda wheel spacers is an effective way to keep the tires from hitting the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your ride. Bonus Honda Accord wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional Honda Accord wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Honda Accord wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of Honda Accord wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.